Hi, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our trading recommendations channel. For the morning sessions, before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market update. The overnight soybean oil December month dropped 0.77 points to close lower at 41.68. Thailand active farmer contracts rose only 12 points to close higher at 8892 on previous night sessions. Over in Malaysia, the crude palm oil futures rebounded to finish higher on Wednesday, following the overnight gains in seaborne soy oil. The traders noted that improved export prospect and a weaker productions outlook also boost the sentiment for commodity. FCPO January month's contract rose 39 points to close higher at 4311. In the latest price movement, the palm price is hovering at a very narrow range of the sideways consolidations, and it remained trading below the support area of the upper channels, and it still resisted below the crucial range of 4300 to 4310 for further upsides. If we take a closer look on the hourly charts, we spotted a very small sideways consolidations. Okay, the price is trading at the middle of the range. If this bigger sideways consolidations, here's the middle of the range around. It's also a 4300 to 4295 range here. So it is now either it will be giving some upside or downside. If trading below this line, it will likely to giving downside buyers. However, if trading above this line, it is likely to trading higher. So the other supporting point will be there is a ascending triangle spotted. This is also one of the potentials. The price will move either way. Either will break down from here, or we're coming up and then break up here. So currently the direction is quite uncertain. So for the support we seen at 4265 to 60 here. If the price breaking below here, then we might see further downside. So we might see the other support at around 423 something around here. So for morning sessions, I will call on CPO market. Will be short positions may be open below 4285 with the target to set at 4264 to 4245 and the stop loss at 4305. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 4285 with the target to set at 4300 to 4324 and the stop loss to set at 4265. Next, we are turning our focus to the index market. The overnight Dow Jones rose 337 points, closed higher at 43077. US stock ended higher on Wednesday, diverging from the global markets, while crude oil declined due to expected softening demand. Mega cap growth stock limited the Nasdaq gains, but economically sensitive sector drove the S&P 500 and down, with the later hitting its third record closing high in the 4 days. The FPM-KLCI Malaysia Benchmark Index on yesterday was closed lower, reflecting the weak performance in the region after negative coup from global equity overnights, with heavy selling in technology stock, according to an analyst. And also, market is quite cautious ahead of the budgets will be released on tomorrow's. For FKI, October months dropped 9 points, closed lower at 1632.5 on yesterday. As we remind our view that the index latest is hovering at the area of SMA 50 in the daily charts. Supported above the SMA, could see higher price. If below, we might see selling opportunity, but it is more on selling opportunities. How in the hourly charts, the narrow range of sideways consolidation spotted with the upper range seen at 1644 to 45, which is a yesterday high range, while the lower is around 1633 to 34. And currently, the latest one, we see a downward channels with the price is pointing to the upside bias in within the downward channels. We might see some room for further upside. It is likely to see the resistance over 1642 to 43 level over here. So if this range could break above, then we might see further higher. However, if this range couldn't break, we might see the price to coming down from here again. Yeah. So for the upside, is potential, but likely to be limited, and traders are cautious on the budgets. Just beware of any sentiment change. And here's our recommendations for the morning sessions. As we wrap up the analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to the market change, protect your capital and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.